Hey everybody, welcome back to MWIRC. In today's video we're going to do a speed run on this HPI Baja, and this was gas at one time, but I converted it all to electric. I enjoy it much more, and because for one reason I had to go to electric because of my neighbors. I know a lot of you disagree with that. Hey, screw the neighbors. Well, I don't want any problems, so I went ahead and just converted it to electric. I have this GNSS meter right here, which we will get some speed runs today off-road. If you guys remember, way out there in the pavement, that's where I was doing my other speed runs, going that way, but I wanted to come this way. I mentioned this in a few videos, so now we're finally back here. Let's see what we could do, or how fast we could get this HPI Baja to go. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get everything set up. We'll hit start. She's testing. Yep, she's working. And let's get her out here and let's see what happens. All right, just got the body on. See what she does. I'm gonna get her down there first and we're gonna bring it back. Okay, let's see what we can do. Full throttle, don't spin out, thank you. All right, just on that little bit, let's see what she did. Just on that little bit, I'm just curious. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to control her, but let's hit stop, read. Okay, 35 miles an hour, that's slow. That's okay, we're gonna hit start. She's testing. Let's try that again. Full throttle. All right. Let's see here. She is full throttle. And man, does she have a lot. All right. Let's do that again. Full throttle. She's just spinning the tires, guys. Oh, gonna get some battle scars on her now. All right, let's see what she did there. All right, stop, read. 43 mile an hour, still slow. Okay, she's tracking. I'm gonna get her down there a ways, even farther yet. I think one of my turnbuckle ends is really loose on that side. I'll check it after a while. All right, we got her way out there. Okay, come on, let's do this. Full throttle. Man, this thing is such a beast, man. Love this truck. See, we'll go on this side, go around that storm sewer. You definitely don't want to hit one of them. All right, let's see, guys. Come on. Let's see what we can do here. I can't get her to full throttle. Uh-oh. Thought maybe we blew a tire. Okay, I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. Let's see what we could get her to do on this next run here. I gotta turn around. There she goes. Full throttle right there, man. Full throttle. Let's see what she did. I believe that's the 18 tooth that's in there. I think she was still spinning the tires though. Let's see, read 45. Come on. I think we get it better than 45, or maybe I just have to gear up more. So let's try it again. Let's start. Okay. And then we'll go out and just have some fun with it. Yeah, looks like I turned my steering right down, or some adjustments. She's touchy on the steering, but I think I have a, like I said, a turnbuckle that's loose. All right, let's go. Let's try this again, guys. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Full throttle. No, all she's doing is spinning, guys. Okay, I don't think she went much faster than 45, but you guys saw it. So let's see if we can find some places around here to go have some fun with it. I mean, this is some pretty gnarly hills, but this is a fifth scale, so it's going to handle it. Let's give it a quick jump on it. See what she does. Ah, that was weak. Uh-oh. That don't sound good. Think. What happened here, guys? Oh. I think my dog. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Looks like the pin's there. It looks like I sheared the pin. No kidding. That could explain why she was really touchy there. All right, I don't know if I have any more of these pins. I'm gonna have to take it in and look. Oh man, I was having so much fun too. Yeah, I got some road rage. That's okay. I really need to put my other body on. But yeah, didn't shred no tires. Just sheared that pin. So we will go ahead and bring it back over here and get some temps on it. I almost thought I stripped the pinion or something, but apparently not. All right, let's go ahead and get some temps on this real quick. All right, our ESC, we're at 90 degrees, 82, motor 81, perfect. 79, batteries 75, everything is cool. Yeah, there's nothing to be alarmed here. Let me check these caps. 74. Yeah, what a beast, man. I should have brought some extra pins. But here's where I think my problem is with the steering. Pretty much I know it is. You guys look, there's a lot of play in there. Way too much play. Over here you can see it's tight. I'm gonna have to look into finding me some new ends or some new turnbuckles for the front there, and that shouldn't be too big of a deal to find, hopefully. Okay guys, you saw it, you see my other videos. This thing is badass. I love it. Unfortunate, lost the wheel. Well, didn't lose the wheel, just lost the pin. Good insurance, cheap to fix. So alright everybody, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. Don't forget to check out my giveaway video on that SCX24 crawler. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers or possibly 1,000 likes in that video. Okay guys, and have a great day.